Good afternoon, guys. I've come over to La Perla this afternoon, so just a quick hop from the office to do a quick walk around video for you of the wonderful Villa Dulce. Now, this is a reshoot, which I'm doing because I can't understand why, but this stunning villa nestled in a little small street in the heart of La Perla with beautiful views has kind of slipped under the radar. It's been incredibly priced for a property in this location. So I thought I'd come and do a little reshoot and give it a bit more background so you can see what's going on. But it's always been a second home. It's now been cleared, so it can be sold. But you've got a 8x4 pool. This will be pristine by the time it's handed over. But as a second home, it's kind of a little bit greener than I'd like, but still. And look at that absolutely gorgeous villa. All the exterior walls and interior have recently been repainted, and I think that shows. You've got quality stone cladding around the entire base, marble topped, beautiful ornate wreckers, security grills on the window. It's extremely private. I mean, there is a villa in front there, but it's facing away, and they've got a lovely pool, and you can't see theirs, and they can't really see yours. This beautiful little kind of fruit orchard there, grapefruits. Might grab a couple of those in a second, and you've got lemons and you've got oranges, and that's a olive tucked away. But really, this is the only corner of the garden that's planted, so very low maintenance outside space. Running along the frontage, you have this lovely covered porch, and it's the perfect mix, really. Half open, and then you can see there's all these extendable awnings there that drop down to the floor, so half open, half closed. Door access straight off of that into the kitchen, which we'll see from the other side. Now, another big bonus with this property, which I know is a kind of tick item on most people's lists if they can possibly have it, you've got a great big garage. Can't get access to that at the moment, but I'll show you where it's located. It's at the rear of the property, so nice and discreet. It's an electric gate operational door. So there you can see double gate access. All the walls around the exterior have been raised for additional privacy, and as you can see, they're pristine. And then you've got a drive coming off the double gate, leads straight to the garage. You can see that in a little bit more detail there. But this is why I think, you know, it's priced at $215,000, which for La Perla is very reasonable anyway. But if you look at the presentation of the villa, the size, the quality, proximity to amenities, and the fact that it's got a pool and a big garage, that's fully tiled in there. There's electric connected. Further door access just off to the left there, coming out, and you can see terracing that goes all the way around the rear of the property. Another small planted section, and there's rear door access behind into the garage. Let's take a wander onto the inside. And as the outside has all been freshly painted, as I mentioned earlier, so has the interior. All the furniture's now gone, so you've got a effectively clean as a whistle shell property. So this large central lounge dining room, top spec. You've got full air conditioning. Look, you've even got storage heaters along here with timer control. Corner mounted wood burner, double door access here that brings you out by the garage. You just saw it from the other side, and I've just walked in from the front door. So, a nice scalloped arch, I suppose, into the kitchen area. Then the main bedroom with ensuite over on this side. This beautiful neutral tile scheme runs throughout. Good sized kitchen. Granite worktops. Now, door access there out to the covered part of the terrace, so if you've got friends over, al fresco dining, absolutely perfect. Little look at the lounge from the other end, and this is opposite the master, arched access into a little lobby area, the main family bathroom, and then two bedrooms, one to the left and one to the right. Now, what you maybe can't see from the budget, even the windows, they're beautiful quality, all with fly screens. The air conditioning units aren't your cheap shabby ones, they're very top spec ones. I'm not sure if this is coming on the video, but let's have a look at this section here. So first double bedroom, freestanding wardrobe in there, Mitsubishi air conditioning unit up in the corner, central bathroom converted into a double shower. Then an equally good sized double bedroom on this side, again with freestanding wardrobes, Mitsubishi aircon. Hope it's coming across, but they're just very good sized rooms. And then the master bedroom immediately opposite over this side. I appreciate it's a bit kind of boring looking at ones where they're not beautifully furnished and everything else, but on the other hand you get to see kind of the condition of the walls, and it's a lovely blank canvas. The master's got these lovely rolling fronted double wardrobes. Again, air conditioning up here. And then of course the ensuite bathroom, which is a full bath in this case with an overhead shower. Not so sure on the tiling scheme, but you know, it's in good condition. It's just probably got to be changed. So there you have the wonderful Villa Dulce, which stands for suite in Spanish. 215,000, full details via the link below. I really would kind of advise a viewing on this, because you know La Perla is a very popular area. You're talking here, we're about 12-15 minutes easy walk into Arboleas Centre. And to find something in La Perla currently at, you know, on sale below the kind of 220,000 mark, let alone one with a great big double garage, is proving very, very difficult. It's always been a hugely popular area, but I think they've got the balance on this just right. You can often tell the ones that have been used as a second home. You know, it's got the token fruit trees, the garden's laid out for low maintenance. Wonderful pool terrace and sun deck. I mean, I'm absolutely bathed in sunshine, and this is coming on now to the end of January. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm just cooking. Sun comes up to the left and forms a perfect arc over the frontage. So there you have it. Villa Dulce. If you'd like to view, give us a call now. +34 634 302 801, or send us an email, kalidahomes@hotmail.com, and we'll get in touch.